Hello and welcome. This is a new episode from Aero Arduino, and in this episode I'm showing to you this Arduino circuit without using a real-time clock module. If you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos. In this video I'm showing to you this simple clock, just like something we've seen before on our channel. It's an Arduino clock without an RTC real-time clock module. So if you need to use a simple clock without any so much critical precision or any critical timing, you can use a simple clock using Arduino and an LCD like this, just to keep track of time. And this circuit you can pre-select or pre-adjust the time inside the code. Then you don't need to any push buttons to adjust it, but that needs, if you want to reset it, to reprogram it and readjust it in the code. Anyway, it's something simple, and we can start make it on Tinkercad simulation software like we've seen in other videos, or you can build it with real components and real hardware like Arduino and LCD. That's all it needs, and only a small resistor for the backlight LED. So now let's see the connection. It's an 16x2 LCD connected to Arduino as follows: 4 data pins, DB4 to DB7, connected to pins from 5 to 2 respectively. 5, 4, 3, 2 connected to data pins DB4, 5, 6, 7. And now the control pins: E enable connected to pin number 11 in Arduino, register select connected to pin number 12 in Arduino, read write connected to ground, and the contrast connected to ground also. The ground, of course, connected to Arduino ground. The VCC in LCD connected to 5 volts. The backlight LED anode is connected to the 5 volts. The backlight cathode is connected to the ground through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. That's the circuit connection. Now we'll see the code. It's so simple code. We'll start by including the liquid crystal.h library. Then we start by defining the variables and defining the LCD pins. Now in the setup function, we start by initializing the LCD. Here are the pre-adjustment of the clock. So if you want to adjust the clock, you need, as I've said before, you need to program it inside the firmware or inside the Arduino code. Then here we initialize the LCD and the serial monitor for debugging. And here the loop, we make LCD clear, and then we call the clock function and the delay. Now here is the clock function. That's the main loop or the main function inside the code, seconds plus plus, and that's if the seconds if 60, that's the toggle for the seconds, and the minutes and the hours, it uses 24 hours. And here are the days. This clock also displays the date on as days and month. Now here the LCD clear and begin print. This begin print function displays the date and time and prints them on the LCD. That's the date, day, month, and year. And then we set the cursor to the second row. Then we print time, hours, and minutes and seconds. That's it. That's the code. Now we will see the circuit simulation. We start by simulation. We press start simulation. We see that the circuit is printing the date and time. We can see that the date is out of range too, so we can readjust the code. Just remove some unnecessary spaces. Here we can remove the space. In the LCD begin print LCD date. Now we can use this space. We can delete it like this and then print start simulation. Here it debugging and also compiling the code again. Now it's good and it's visible in the circuit. 14 June 2023 and the time is 20. And as we can see, the time is updating. That was a simple clock circuit using Arduino and LCD. So if you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.